India is one of the fastest growing economies and is ranked as world's fifth largest economy. It is poised to become the third largest economy by GDP with $5 trillion by 2027, surpassing some of the prominent countries like Japan and Germany. However, what really is crucial for the growth of the country are the sectors that are contributing to development. Sectors such as IT, manufacturing, healthcare, renewable energies, agriculture, banking and financial services are the drivers to India's growth. Among all, the manufacturing sector is a vital component of India's growth as it contributes substantial share of India's economic output. The Indian manufacturing industry generated 16 to 17% of India's GDP pre-pandemic and is projected to be one of the fastest growing sectors. The Indian government has played a pivotal role in creating an environment conducive to economic prosperity. Government reforms supporting Indian manufacturing sector such as Make in India scheme that attracted substantial FDI, the PLI scheme across 14 sectors to boost production, Atmanirbhar Bharat that fosters self-reliance, PM Gati Shakti and many such initiatives are the major enablers to this run-up to becoming a large economy.
And with this, we at Axis Mutual Fund have come up with a great opportunity for you to invest in. Introducing Axis India Manufacturing Fund. The Axis India Manufacturing Fund is a thematic fund that invests mainly in India's manufacturing businesses with a systematic approach of investment in companies focused on investments, consumption, and as well as net exports. Companies that invest more on equipment, infrastructure, innovation, and new ideas to increase their manufacturing, companies that are growing because of the rise in local demand, that they are upgrading their products, and lastly, companies which are focusing on increasing exports due to the China Plus One narrative. Well, manufacturing sector has offering across the value chain from design to maintenance. It has exposure to 11 sectors comprising of automobiles, pharmaceuticals, textiles, defense building and materials, etc. Over the past 8 years, the sale of premium products has been growing significantly. This includes automobiles, consumer durables, smartphones. Companies that have high-end offers have been performing well. We expect this trend to continue and we aim to capture this growth. Strengthening production may further benefit already growing sector. Output revenue of manufacturing companies has grown at $450 billion with a CAGR of almost 16%.
The fund will aim to identify companies across three segments of the Indian economy. First, investment. These are the capex-driven firms which are investing more on equipment, infrastructure, and innovation, thereby ramping up manufacturing production. Second, consumption. These are the industries with rising demand due to domestic-led consumption and identification of companies investing in premiumization of products. Third, net exports. These focus on companies benefiting due to import substitution and the global move for supply chain diversification. Axis India Manufacturing Fund will offer you active sectoral allocation, multiple stock selection, aim to identify potential winners in the manufacturing theme, quality focused style, focus on underrepresented segments on Indian listed market, and bottom-up approach. So join us in the journey of India's $5 trillion economy.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.